Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day today. So in this video, we're going to be going over 6 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, May the 22nd at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so you want to make sure that you scan each item in your app under the list feature to make sure that the coupons do attach. Also, you want to scan the items to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here is how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Now, if your store still has the older keypads, it will show the subtotal on the screen. But if you have the newer keypads, you will have to ask the cashier what your subtotal is. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. If you have the older keypads, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now please keep in mind that if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can void the transaction and try again because all of your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. Now, before we get into the scenarios, we do have a few new digital coupons that popped up on our accounts today. So we have the Milk Bones that are priced at $4.95. We received a $1.50 off one digital coupon. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $3.45. So this next coupon is kind of a glitch deal. We have 25 cents off of the Ocean Spray juices. So if you can find the Ocean Spray Cran Tropical Juice Cocktail 25 ounce, these are the really small little bottles. They are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying just 75 cents. And next up, we have another glitch deal. So we received this one-off one for the Folgers products. So if you can find the Folgers Instant Coffee single packets 7-count boxes, those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that will make it completely free. Now, because these coupons popped up last minute, I didn't have time to add them into any scenarios, but especially this little glitch deal right here, you can add this to any of the scenarios that are included in this video, and it will not affect your subtotal after coupons whatsoever because it's completely free. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, this is a food deal. Now we rarely get enough coupons to make an entire food deal, and one that's kind of low out of pocket as well. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Prego pasta sauces for $4. They are $2 each. And you want to pick up one of the Barilla noodles. Now those will be free because they are on sale this week. Buy 2 of the Pregos, get the Barilla noodles for free. Then you want to pick up one of the Cafe Bustelo coffees for $2.50, one of the Ore-Ida French fries for $3, 2 of the Nestle 4-pack waters for $3, they are $1.50 each, 3 of the Sour Patch Kids for $4, those are also on sale, buy 2 and get 1 for free, 1 of the Sargento breakfast snacks for $1.25, 3 of the Knorr pasta sides for $3, 3 of the Clover Valley corn or green beans for $1.50, 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents, and 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. Your subtotal will be $25.88. And here is your list of coupons. Now, on all of these lists, I did forget to put the 5 off $25 coupon, but that's kind of a given, and it is pictured here on the screen. So make sure you have your 5 off 25 clipped to your account. Then you're going to need the buy 2 Prego sauces and get 1 Barilla pasta for free digital coupon. Then you're going to need the 75 cents off 1 Cafe Bustelo coffee, the 1 off 1 Ore-Ida fries, 1 off 2 Nestle Splash waters, 1 off 2 Sour Patch Kids, the 1 off 1 Sargento breakfast, and the buy 3 Knorr get 1 of the Clover Valley cans for free digital coupon, the 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks, and the 2 off 1 Tide. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $11.23 for 20 items, or just 53 cents each. Now that is an awesome food deal. Next up, we have a little household scenario. So you want to pick up one of the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaners for $1. You can find those in the dollar aisle. One of the Airwick starter kits for $3.35. Two of the Febreze plugins for $10. One of the Purex 15 count laundry packs for $3. One of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. One of the Gain dish soaps for $2, and one of the Tylenol 24 count for $4. Your subtotal will be $26.30. And here's your list of coupons. Of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25 clipped to your account. The 75 cents off one Lime Away, 150 off one Airwick product, the 5 off 2 Febreze plugins, the 2 off 1 Purex, the 2 off 1 Tide, the 1 off 1 Gain dish soap, and the 2 off 1 Tylenol. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $7.05 for 8 items, or just 88 cents each. Alright, for this next scenario, we have a personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 6 of the Suave Essentials shampoos or conditioners for $6. They are $1 each. One of the DG Health mouthwashes for $3. One of the St. Ives body washes, also $3. One of the Chic Intuition razors for $7.50. One of the Always Discreet liners for $3. One of the St. Joseph's aspirin for $2, and one of the Rexall vitamin D3s for $2. Your subtotal will be $26.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course, you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25 clipped to your account. Then you're going to use the $2 off when you purchase $6 worth of Suave products digital coupon, the 1 off 1 DG Health mouthwash, 150 off 1 St. Ives product, 4 off 1 Chic or Skintimate razor, 2 off 1 Always Discreet, 1 off 1 St. Joseph's aspirin, and the 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $9 for 12 items, or just 75 cents each. And so this next scenario is also another personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Playtex Sport tampons for $3.25, one of the Kotex security pads for $3.25, one of the Maybelline nail polishes for $2.50, one of the Maybelline eye pencils 2-pack for $3.25, one of the CoverGirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4.50, one Lubriderm lotion for $5.85, and one of the St. Ives body wash for $3. Your subtotal will be $26.60. And here is your list of coupons. Of course, you're going to want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Playtex Sport tampons, 2 off 1 Kotex product, 1 off 1 Maybelline nail polish, 2 off 1 Maybelline eye product, 2 off 1 Maybelline cosmetics, 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, 2 off 1 Lubriderm lotion, and 150 off 1 St. Ives product. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.86 for 7 items, or just 83 cents each. Now next up, we have a little pet food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Iams dry dog food 11-pound bags for $14.95. One of the Iams cat food 3-pound bags for $6.50. One of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95, and one of the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaners for $1. Your subtotal will be $25.40. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $5 off when you spend 20 on Iams DG store coupon, the 3 off 1 Iams dog food, the 3 off 1 Iams cat food, the 2 off 1 Tide, and the 75 cent off 1 Lime Away. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $6.65 for 4 items, or just $1.66 each. And last but not least, here is our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaners for $1. You can find those in the dollar aisle. One of the Airwick warmers for $1.65. One of the Maybelline eye pencils 2-pack for $3.25. One of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. One of the Purex 15 count laundry pods for $3. 2 of the Pantene Nutrients travel size shampoos and conditioners for $6. Those are $3 each. One of the St. Ives body washes for $3. 2 of the Prego pasta sauces for $4. One of the Barilla noodles, and of course you'll get those for free because there is a sale going on this week for buy 2 Prego sauces and get the Barilla noodles for free. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents, and your subtotal will be $25.53. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So of course, make sure you have your 5 off 25. Then you're going to need the 75 cent off 1 Lime Away, 150 off 1 Airwick product, 2 off 1 Maybelline eye product, 2 off 1 Maybelline cosmetics, the buy 2 Prego get 1 Barilla noodles for free, the 2 off 1 Tide, 2 off 1 Purex, the 4 off 2 Pantene Nutrients, 150 off 1 St. Ives product, and the 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.14 for 13 items, or just 24 cents each. Now, I do want to mention something about the 2 off 1 Maybelline eye product and the 2 off 1 Maybelline Cosmetics. So that last one is a DG store coupon. So it's not going to take off the full $4. It's only going to take off $3.24. So if you are kind of mixing and matching these scenarios, make sure that you don't take off the full $4. You just take off $3.24 for that Maybelline eye pencil 2-pack. Now, I do want to apologize. I didn't have time to put all of the pictures of the coupons in this video, and honestly, guys, I just ran out of time. So I'm just doing my best to kind of get this video ready and uploaded for you guys so that you can watch it first thing in the morning before you go into Dollar General. So again, I do apologize, but next week everything should be back to normal, and I'll have enough time to get those pictures and screenshots of all of those digital coupons. Now, if you're looking for some more deals that you can do, I did upload a Walgreens video where I went in and did a super simple, easy, and quick deal. Turned out to be completely free, plus a $4.25 moneymaker. And also, if you need some more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, go back and check out my Dollar General Good Deals, Sales, and Glitches video. There's a lot of other great deals that you can incorporate into your 5 off $25 scenarios. So I will leave both of those videos linked in a pinned comment down below. So go and check them out if you haven't already. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with your 5 off $25 scenarios. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Please give this video a thumbs up before you go. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.